Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a review on Wet n Wild PhotoFocus Foundation. This one you can get at the drugstore, at Walmart, at Walgreens. It's got a full wide variety of shades, but we're actually going to test it out and see how it does. So hope you enjoy. So here's the finished look. I'm headed to work today, so we're going to see how it wears all day. And I did my makeup, everything the same as I would with like my Huda Beauty or my Too Faced foundations, so that we can have a genuine review and see how it compares. So see you guys later today.